I mean, like at my place in the night or in the morning, is not so much sound. So can I just play like natural sound from YouTube?
Yes.
Okay.
So maybe you can experiment with different sounds, like what is helpful for you, which also has, maybe different qualities that encourage you to be peaceful or joyful, and are more like, relaxing sounds or natural sounds. Yes. But if it helps you to listen to something else, that's also fine.
Like what?
I don't know, like heavy metal. And then also, if there may be like seemingly no sound, we could listen to one teacher, Shinzen Yang. Um, he he calls it listening to the absence of sound.
Hmm.
So we could try to locate. Okay, where is the sound, or where is it? I mean, where is it not? Or inquiring into that and being attentive and exploring. So being very mindful and attentive, um, and saying, is there really no sound? So really inquiring and examining and being attentive to experience, like not like in a way, or partly like intellectually, but really with experience and with perceiving and being attentive.
What about deaf people that want to meditate?
So we can meditate with like whatever um, abilities we may or may not have. If we cannot see, for example, with our eyes, or we cannot hear, or we cannot really, like it, like this, like, so we can still meditate anytime, because we have the ability to perceive. So this is one of the qualities of the mind. So we can perceive. So, and also with the mind sense, like thoughts and images in our mind. So we can, and for some people, it may be helpful to meditate with sound, or with seeing, or with feeling, touch, or with the mind sense, or maybe with smell or touch. So yeah, we can do whatever we can and whatever we find useful.